So what's up my people, it's your boy Zubyking here once again with another update. Today's update is about TRX. As you can see on my screen now, you can see that I'm currently having 375 TRX. The update I'm gonna share to you today is the update that I've been giving me minimum of 9 TRX, but in today's video it's not about how to get that 9 TRX. There's a new update that I found out that is gonna help you guys on that particular update. That particular website, that particular platform have been the most reliable and trusted platform ever giving me TRX, as you can see, because in that platform I've been getting minimum of 9 TRX. That 9 TRX I don't even invite to get that 9 TRX. Everything I'm doing, you can, if you want to know more about it, you can check my previous video on this particular platform in the description below. But today's video is not about how I'm getting all these things. Today's video is different from what I've been showing you guys. So in today's video is another update, as in I found out there is another thing that you can do in the video, in the platform, to earn a good amount of TRX. If you follow my footsteps, shout out to those ones that follow my footsteps on my previous videos about this particular update. So if you want to earn more just like zubyking is earning, you have to follow my updates, follow my instructions on this particular update. So what I will need from you now is to just click the like button. Yes, you are using it to help my channel grow. Once you like the video, it will send a signal to YouTube that hey, this video is giving people value and people are liking the video, so let's promote it more. That's the only thing I need from you guys, and that's the only thing the like button is gonna work for. And also subscribe to the channel, try as much as you can to join my WhatsApp group so that you get notified on any updates that is currently running. So as for now, let's dive into the main video of the day. So if we go over to the record, just to clear more that, you will see that my withdrawal record success 9 TRX, 10 TRX, 12 TRX, blah 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 blah. So if you want to know more about it, yeah, look at it over here. Let me show you guys. Look at it. This is what I've been withdrawing from the sites. This is what I've been withdrawing from the sites over. So what I will guide you to do now is to watch this video attentively so that you get notified, so that you understand what I'm really saying about this particular website. So if you follow the link in the description, now let me clear this out. If you follow the link in the description, it's going to take you over to this place. Once you sign up, they're going to give you 9,000 TRX as a sign up bonus. Then what do you have to do? If you are interested in the ones that I earn 9 TRX daily, you can check the video description below for details. So this particular update, last time I shared about this thing, I told you guys to deposit, because you have to deposit to your basic account. This one is the basic account. You see, but today's video is not gonna be about basic account. You have to deposit on your promotional account. Look at it here, promotional account. Take note, you're depositing to your promotional account this time. So once you're done, now you know that you are depositing to your promotional account. Let's go to the next thing. So once you're done depositing on your promotional account, let me deposit to show you guys what I really mean. So let me just close it up. So if I click on this my promotion account now, you will see that you can deposit with any crypto of your choice. Look at it. You can deposit with BNB, you can deposit with Doge, you can choose to deposit TRX, Ethereum, BEP20 USDT, ER20 USDT, ERC20 USDT, and also TRC20 USDT, also Doge. So for me, I'm depositing with TRX. So that's what I'm depositing with today, TRX. So if I click on this TRX now, don't worry, once you click on it, just copy the wallet address and go to the wallet of your choice. Once I come over here, what I will do is to click on send and then enter the wallet address that I copied. Then I'm depositing 100 TRX here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you along the line in the video, I'm gonna tell you guys why I personally deposited 100 TRX again. So if I click on continue, it's gonna load up a bit and show me the procedure to withdraw. Then I will just click on confirm. So once I click on confirming it, it will just show like this, and it it will load. So once the transfer is done, it's completed, it's confirmed, I'm going back to the site. As you can see, it's now completed. So next thing you have to do is to go back to the site. So go back to the site and click on submit successfully. So the submission will complete. Please wait for the balance to change, then click on complete. Now as you can see, now my deposit is now confirmed, and as you can see now I'm now having 29,200 TRX. So that is it. So next thing you have to do is to go over to this your invest section. Go over to this particular section now. Go over to this particular section and then click on it. It's gonna take you over to this particular investment. Because it's over here. This one is the plan that I'm currently on. This is the one I've been doing. So now the one we are gonna do is this one called circling investment. So we are gonna use the circling investment today. So what is the circling investment? Circling investment is another way of earning. So you can easily use any of them. This is 3 days plan, this is 15 days plan. So for me, I'm going with this 10 days plan, which will be giving me more. So I'm going with this 10 days plan here over here. This 10 days plan over here. So what will this 10 days plan give to me? This is bandit also. So this 10 days plan is gonna be giving me 0.10% to 1% of my initial deposit every day, which is gonna last for 10 days. So after 10 days, both my deposit and both my capital and my gain is gonna reflect here, and I'm gonna receive it, and I can easily withdraw it. So what do I have to do? It's very simple. I can easily recharge, use that my 100 TRX here. So what do you have to do? Just have to click here until you reach the amount that you want to use. You can easily just click on this particular place and select the amount that you want. So for me, I'm selecting 100 TRX. So that 100 TRX is gonna be giving me, they're gonna be giving me 0.10 to 1% of my initial deposit every day, and it's gonna last for 10 days. So once I'm done with it, what you have minimum price on it is 1 TRX. So you can choose any amount that you want. So once I'm done with it, once you have done selecting the amount that you have, that you choose to deposit here, next thing you have to do is to click on participate in investment. They will ask you if you are sure. So what you have to do is to click on this place that says confirm. So once you click on this place that says confirm, it's gonna confirm it to you that the participant is done. So next thing you have to do is to go over to your record here. Let's go over to my record here. As you can see, I have 3 running investments. Bandit Energy is the I subscribed 6 TRX to it before. Now the one that is currently running, the one that I subscribed to it now, is now this 100 TRX here. 100 TRX, this particular place now is the one running for me. So after 10 days, I'm gonna take out my initial deposit and also take out my gain from it. So this is how this particular platform works. You can also check out other investment there. You can also check it out other investment plan there. There's this circle investment. You can also check out, this one is for 3 days, this one is also for 10 days, 15 days, this one is also for 31 days, 90 days, 30 days, 60, and other one. So you can easily check out the one that you want, and it's gonna help you. So this is the end of this video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Also try as much as you can to deposit and invest what you can afford to lose. Bear in mind that zubyking is not in any way a financial advisor. I'm only sharing information on what that is working for me. So as for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.